This video I'm going to unbox the ToolPro Trolley Jack. So this one here can takes up to 1,600 kilograms. Here's a powder coated steel construction, long 2-piece handle with knurled hand grip, low profile design, which is great, so we can tuck it away in the cabinet or something once you're finished. So let's take a look at the Trolley Jack and check out the quality of this tool. Okay, let's cut it open. So there it is. We're going to pull it out. It's fairly heavy. Okay, wow, look at this. Brand new, painted. Here's the handle. So we got a handle, two handles. This will give you the extensions. The handles will give you leverage with a long handle. So this is what it looks like. It's got some warning over here how to use it. Again, this one will allow you to jack up to 1,600 kilos. Got the wheels at the bottom that you can move it around. Here at the front, we've got the metal wheel. And here we've got the hydraulics. So this one here allows you to release the hydraulic and lower your jack. It's quite soft and gentle on this one. And that's it. I think that's all you get in the box here, just the two handle, and that's it. There it is. So we just pump it up with the handle, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video.